Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's set, I'm just doing this really bright orange set. So I'm using 3 different tones of oranges and a pre-mixed orange glitter. So this first nail, I'm doing just a really quick ombre with Glitterbels Tropical Sunrise. And then the colour that I'm going to come in with in a minute is called Lava Lamp. This one, so it's, as you can see, a really bright orangey coral kind of colour. But because these two are quite similar, they do blend together really easy. So it's a really simple set today, so I'm just going to do this ombre on 2 nails and then marble on the other 3. So this one is a marble nail. So I always like to come in with a little bit of colour at the cuticle just to get that area nice and flush first. And then that's when I pick up a couple of beads and then blend those together with the tip of my brush. So this part me and my client were just on about, because she wants to leave a clear part in the nail. So we was just on about whereabouts to put it. It did actually look really, really nice. I hope you can all see all the different colours and everything. The camera doesn't really pick it up, but the blend and the marble with all these 3 colours just looked so pretty together. So after I've done that with all these colours, I come in with this pre-mixed glitter, which is Peach Crush. So the lightest orange, which has a bit of a sparkle to it, that one is Coral Kisses, which complements the Peach Crush really nicely. So again, this one's just a marble one. And then we're just moving the clear part so it's not in the same place as the previous nail. So as you can see there, I picked up all 3 colours and just swirled those together. So I'll leave everything in the description box for you guys and my discount code if anyone wants to use it. The brush that I'm using is also the Glitterbels brush, which is size 12. So I'm just coming in now, placing tiny bits of glitter on that nail. So again, this finger is just an ombre with Tropical Sunrise and Lava Lamp. So now I'm just coming back to the little finger and capping in glass slippers. So I also do leave a little bit of filing in this video again for you guys. Please ignore the state of my nails as well in this video. They've been on for over a month and they're just absolutely battered. So yeah, that aside, as you can see, I start off by filing both side walls. Then I come in and file the end. And then what I like to do is just go over the entire nail, making sure not to file away your apex. Get the cuticle area nice and flush. So after doing this on all 10 nails, I dust off and then just come in with my top coat, which is always the Glitterbels No Wipe top coat. So after that, then that's the end of the video, guys. So thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye.